Hi everyone, let's create this presentation and see how it looks like. It's very similar to the past one, but with a little difference. What is the difference? The difference is about transition. And it can make a huge difference sometimes. Okay, let's start with a blank space. I'm going to format the background and use the gradient field that I have. Creating this gradient field is up to you. You can create it if you want. It's easy. Now let's create our circles. We need two of them. One, by holding Control or Shift, you can create a circle. Okay, it's enough, I think. A little bigger and a copy of that. And then I'm going to align it middle and align it middle, and then also add another one rectangle here. Okay, everything is good, but I'm going to change the color to see the differences. Then I'm going to press Ctrl A. Before that, just remember to create a copy of that. Then apply this background to all. Okay, the views are good, but a little decreasement is going to make it better. Also here, a little bit. Okay, now press Ctrl A to select all of them and then go to shape format and union them. You see, your shape is ready and it's astoundingly perfect. And then you need to create these things. So how we create them? We need 3 circles. Each 3 circles is going to have a different word. The first one is going to write classification in that. And I'm going to increase it. I'm not changing the size or text or anything else. I'm just creating them at first. And the second one. And the third one. Okay, we have all of them. Now we need to recolor them. I'm going to color this. Let's say some amazing color. What we have, I'm going to use blue. And for that, I'm going to use green. And for that, I'm going to use this color. Okay, we have 3 of them. Now, what we need to do is important. We need to select all of them and make the outline none. You see, it's not make them none. Let's go to shape format and set the shape outline to none. And after that, I'm going to select all of them and go to shadow. It's good to have some inner shadows. It's up to you. And also some other shadows are perfect. It's really up to a person not using that. I'm going to work with that. Then I'm going to recolor this thing into something light. But before that, set the shape outline to none. And this color is great. Now, some of you may ask how we create the effect. Okay, let's start. At first, we need to add a new slide. In the new slide, we copy this slide and select all of them and go to shape outline and align them center and middle. Everything is fixed. So how we put that in the back? We put it here, send it to back, and just set it to have the slide background color. Now, copy this slide. We change it to the solid fill that it has. And just simply bring all 3 of them here. And then copy them. And just one by one, bring them out. And another copy. And bring it out. But you see, we have a problem that I'm going to fix. Now, set the transition to morph and see the magic happened. Let's start. You see, it's pretty amazing. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.